today we will be going over how to do a long layered blunt cut. We're getting a lot of requests for this haircut. For the season, it's just something that's very minimal, something that is easy to style. I think it appeals to a lot of different clients. So we will start out by, on wet hair, taking off those dead ends, and then we will be blow drying and then doing all of our detail cutting. We like to do detail cutting when it's dry because we just visually can see where that hair is going to be laying, and we can do a way better job of giving the clients what they want and being specific to their hair needs. Head is down, and when you're cutting on wet hair, a little does a lot, so you want to be on the safer side and just do a minimal amount while it is wet, because that hair will bounce up and you don't want to have taken off more than what you are looking to. So starting in the middle, and then I like to go over to the right and then to the left, and just finding where your guide is and continuing to work through the other side. And always double checking that everything is even. Okay, now I'll have my client look straight and then look over to the right. You want to pull the hair from the front to the back. And you're just connecting that back piece with the front piece here. And then have them look over to the left. Again, connecting that front piece to the back piece right here. And then I like to do the face framing all when it is dry, because those pieces like to stick together and you don't want to end up taking a big chunk off. You'll end up with a curtain bang real fast. Okay, so now that we're finished blow drying, we're gonna go through and make sure that everything's even along the bottoms. We're gonna do some face framing pieces around here, and I'm just gonna make sure that we tidy up all the ends, maybe a couple long layers throughout. Okay, this is our finished look. As you can see, nice soft face framing pieces, cleaned up ends. It's a beautiful summer look.